conversation between teacher and student about science. Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, madam.
So, Jack, which subject are you most interested in?
I have been most interested in science since childhood.
That is good.
I want to know more and more about modern science.
That is very good. I think every student should be like you. So, what is the most interesting thing about science? What do you think?
Science is inventing new things to make human life easier and simpler. That is what I love most about science. There are thousands of problems, and science comes with blessing and a solution.
You are right. Science has a huge impact on our life. We are covered with science. Now, we can't decline the importance of science in our life.
Madam, what are the most valuable inventions of science?
To the computer and internet, electricity and motor engine are the biggest inventions, and brought lots of revolution in different times.
Could you please tell me in detail?
Yes. Electricity is the most important thing at this time. You can tell this source of every power. If we lose electricity now, the whole world will be like ancient times. Then, the computer and internet have changed everything, like the medical system, the education, the business, etc. It is still moving forward with new programs and components. The motor engine has brought a change in the communication system. The advantages of these inventions are enormous.
Thank you so much, madam, for explaining me so well.
Who is your favorite scientist?
Albert Einstein is my favorite scientist.
What would you like to be in future?
I would like to be a scientist in future.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel.